Greeting my excellent friends. Welcome to the Common SQL series, where we learn the most common commands and queries that are being used in the industry. Today, we are going to learn a very common query. That is, how to get the top n records from each group. There are popular use cases for it. For example, you may want to get the top 3 students from each class, or you may want to get the top 5 products from each category, ranked by sales, or you may just want to get the first login time of each employee in a date. Let's get started. Let's say we have a table that tracks user login sessions like this. One user can log in multiple times. Each login can be from different IP address. Now, we are assigned first task. Get the first login information of each user. The expected result is like this. 3 rows, first login from Alice, Bob and Cole. Let's explore our options. First, let's try group by clause. We will group by username and take first login time of each group by aggregated function min. The result is like this, as expected. But we only get information about first login time. How about other information, like the IP address of every first login from each user? The boss really wants it. We can't just adding login IP into the query. Group by doesn't allow it. It requires aggregate functions count, max, min, sum, average, or the retrieved columns must be inside group by clause. Let's try another way. When you want grouping behavior and also want to fetch additional columns, you can use partition by clause. Here we got quite similar behavior. We still have kind of groups and also determined the first login time. Instead of grouping, we are partitioning. The result is quite verbose, as it will retrieve all rows. But it is nice that we can get other columns, such as login IP, addressed together with aggregated first login time. Now, what if in each partition we can get the order of login sessions? Here, we still perform partition by username, like before, but we also assign a number to each row on each partition. The number sequence is determined by login order, the close order by login time. Nice. So we have each user login order. Next step is easy. We just need to take the first row from each partition where the login order equals to 1. We can do it simply with a second query on a subquery like this. Now we got all information we need. User's first login session together with the login IP address. Instead of subquery, you can also select from common table expression, CTE. Now, new requirement arrived. Instead of getting first login, we want to get information about the last login of each user. How can we do that? We can still use the partition by clause, but this time we will order by login time, descending. This will assign row number in each partition as before, but in reversed order, latest first. You can see login order number 1 is assigned to last login time of each user. Then, we again use second query to extract data. The result is perfect. Okay, well done. Now we know how to get the first or the last record from each group. Let's explore another use case where we will get multiple ranked items, instead of just single, first or last like before. Say, we have a database of product sales, and we want to get top 5 best-selling products of each country. I will give you 5 seconds to think of. Here is the answer. This query will group product in each country. Sort by number of sales, highest first. Then we take the top 5 products on each country. Pretty straightforward, huh? One more thing. What if there are multiple products that have the same sales? If you just take top 5, we will miss 2 products that have equal sales. The row number function just assign arbitrary number to same value rows. How to deal with this situation? Stay tuned. We will cover this in the next video with the help of rank function. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cool, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments, please put it below. And don't forget to subscribe to see more video like this. Thank you and have a nice day.